Hello everyone, today I'm making banana bread. I made banana bread before, but this one is amazing. This is the recipe. You need to save it for yourself. Please come to the kitchen with me. I will show you how. You see how amazing it looks? Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video, and subscribe. The recipe is very easy. It's on the screens for you, or you head to the description box below for detail. 2 eggs, half cup of oil, half cup of milk, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar if you want less sweet, then you can add a third. But to me, when I eat sweet, I want sweet, not healthy at all. So I use 4 banana very ripe here, and I will have 1 more for topping. The banana you don't need to mash into mash, you just make it like coarse mash. And now for the flavor, I put half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I also add half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. They have make the cake loose and rise. The flours, you can use on-purpose flour, 1.5 cup. Very easy. You sieve so that the texture of the bread is loosened, not dense. Okay, that's all there to it. And now I make into the mold. You notice that I make into small ramekin there. That is for me. And the big one here is for my neighbor. You want a topping, so you have a whole banana here. I take the ends to put in my ramekins. That means I can show you 2 ways. You can top your banana bread with a slice like so, or a round slice. Or I broke it, so I will make it broken like I intended to. To me, you can cut a half for the banana. Don't cut the 3 slices like I did. It's very thin and it will sink into the dough. So I just drop in, and like I said, because my broken, I make it like I intended to. So broke everywhere, and that's it. To be desirable look, so I will add more brown sugar on top of my banana. If you don't do it when you done baking, your banana will become white and not golden brown like I want. So you can get a little butter and put on top of the banana, and after that you sprinkle the sugar so that the sugar stay on. And that's it. Now it's ready for the oven. I bake it 375 degrees for 20 minutes and lower 350 for 30 minutes. But you need to use your toothpick to poke through at the end of your baking to see the skewer coming clean. If it still have liquid, that means you need to cook a little bit more. You can lower the temperature you like to. Let's do the taste test. You can see it's so still hot. It's from the oven, but I can't wait to taste test it. It's so amazing. It's moist and it's flavorful and it's a little crunchy at the bottom. Oh, this is a keeper recipe. Look good. I hope you like it and give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.